welcome everyone around the world. This is your boy Edmond, guys, your host. Yeah, I know you see me like more frequently these days, but it's a good thing because I'm here to help many of you guys with mathematics and physics. Although I'm not that good, guys, I'm still learning. I'm a learner, but you will learn with me. I will try to explain everything that I know so far, guys. So today we will be going through, our topic, triangles. Yes, we're gonna go through these practical questions. So I know we have done so many practical questions, but I'm sure I didn't cover something like this. There was just basic ones that I covered, but these ones are those you can find in your test, guys. Before, make sure that you like the video, guys, and support me. Follow my page, man. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. So with your help, I know that I can achieve my dreams. My dreams is to help you guys, and you guys, I know you will help me too. So thank you for everyone who has been watching my videos so far and liking my videos, guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I want you guys to know that I love you, and I will keep doing what I'm doing, guys. So before, make sure you eat your breakfast. You eat your breakfast. Buy oats, guys. Eat jungle oats. It's good for your stomach. A lot of fiber. It lowers your cholesterol and stuff. Too much people they eat too much fat, so it lowers your cholesterol. So eat jungle oats, guys. Yeah. So today I will start with this one. So this problem here, they say find the value of x, y, and z. Here is our x, here is our y, then here is our z. How are we gonna find these angles, guys? So it's easy. First thing we're gonna look at our diagram and study our diagram and see if we have alternating angles, or if we have corresponding angles or co-interior angles. Those things are very important when it comes to these practical questions. You need to know them by heart. So guys, here I will start with this one. This is alternating angles. We know that this angle is equals to this angle. And here, instead of an angle, we have a y plus 20. So here it's 45. So I will say, first thing, I will say y plus 20 is equals to 45. Why? Because this angle and this angle are alternating angles. So here we can see we have a variable that we're looking for, and we have numbers. So it means we can transpose this 20 this side and minus 20 from 45, and we get the value of our y. So let's go ahead and transpose. We subtract 20 both sides. This cancel this, then our y is 25. Our y is 25 degrees. So here it means instead of putting like y plus 20 like this, we're gonna have to add our 25 plus 20. So 25 plus 20 is giving us 45. Is it true, guys? Yes, it's true. Why? Because now we can see that this angle indeed is equals to this angle. So they are alternating angles. So what else do we have to find? Is we find x. Here is x. X, we can see it's vertical opposite angle to this 45. So we don't have to calculate it. We will simply use the basic rules, the rules that we went through on our previous video. This is a vertical angle. So this x and this 45 are vertically opposite to each other. So they are equal. So x is equals to 45. degrees. So now we left with Z. So we can find Z by two ways. We can always use our rules or calculate this angle as it's on our straight line. And now as it's on our straight line, we know that the sum of the angles on the straight line is equals to 180. Okay, let me use that for that method. So we know that this angle and this angle is equals to 180. So it's Z plus 45 is equals to 180. Now we subtract 45 from both sides. Now Z is equals to 135 degrees. So here is 135 degrees, guys. So now the sum of these angles on the straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and do this next problem. So here they say find the value of A, B, C, D, and E. So we have A here, we have B, we have C, we have D, we have E. So let's go ahead and study our diagram and see what do we deduce from this diagram. We can see these are three parallel lines. They are three parallel lines. We can see them. And then we have a triangle here. We can always divide the triangle here and make right angles triangles, two right angles triangles. But in this case, we don't have to do anything because we won't be using those things. So now, remember, we have to find this A. So first thing, let's find A. How can you find this letter, this angle A? We just did something. We just did something like this on our first question. So A is what, guys? A is equals to 20, guys, because they are alternating to each other. So A is 20. A is equals to 20 degrees. Usually they want you to give the reason why you say so. Now I'm saying A is equals to 20 because A is alternating angle to this one. They are alternating angles, so they are equal. So let's go ahead and find this B. They want us to find B. So B, we can see B is on a straight line, and the sum of the straight line is equals to 180 degrees. So now we're gonna add B plus 20 and equate them to 180 degrees because they add up to 180 degrees. Now it's B plus 20 is equals to 180 degrees. Now we subtract 20 from both sides. Now 20 becomes, this equals to 160 degrees. So now we have B now. So we want C. Here is C. Here it's C. What is C? Simple, guys. Simple stuff. Once you see them, you will never unsee them. So C is also alternating angle to this one. So they are alternating angles. So it's equals to this angle. It's equals to 20. So C is also equals to 20 degrees. So we have C, we have A, we have B. Now we want D. Where's D? D here. Here's D. Here's D. You see, guys. So it's simple. We know already. D is equals to this one. Not that they are equal to each other, but we can see this is 20 and 20, and the sum of the angles on the straight line is also equals to 180, and when you minus 20 from 108 you get 120, guys. So it's simple. So these also it's 160, not 120. 160, guys. 160 plus 20 is 180. 160 degrees. So we left with E. E. Here is E. Guys, you see, if you know those rules, those laws, the ones that I taught you on the previous videos, they are very important. You see, I didn't calculate anything. I just used those laws, guys, those rules, because they are absolute, man. They will never, fail you. So right now, you know that this is a right angle triangle, because they add up this angle and this angle, they add up to 90. So we know we have this angle now. C is 20. So here is 20. Here is 20. Here is 20. And then this angle is 90. So now, if the here is 20, then what is your E? So you will say 90 minus 20 is equals to 90 minus 20. Then this is 70 degrees. This is 70 degrees. Easy peasy. So we have A, B, C. We have A, B, C, D, E. We found all the angles. We have all the angles, guys. Guys, please subscribe, follow my page, like the video, guys. It helps me, guys. It helps me, and it pushes the video to other audiences, other people who might need my help, guys. Please like the video, guys. It's free, guys. It's free. You don't pay anything to like a video. It's free, guys. Show the love and eat jungle oats. So I'm gonna do last one. I enjoy them. I don't know if it's the last one, but we will see. No. E, G, it's 47 here, it's F here, A, B, C, D. Yeah. Now we have this problem. Let's go ahead and find all the missing angles. Where will you start? What will you do? Personally, you can go ahead and pause the video, guys, and do this question fast. It will take you at least 5 minutes to do this. So let's go ahead and find all the missing angles. First thing, guys. First thing. You see, we have another triangle here, and it makes 90 degrees here. And remember, sum of the triangle on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. So now we have 47 plus 90 and plus e. So the sum of the sum of the angles on the straight line. So is we have e plus 90 plus 47 is equals to 180 degrees. So now we subtract this from this side. Is equals to 180 degrees minus e2. E is 48 degrees. So here is 48 degrees. And now you can see F is a vertical angle to this one. So F is equals to 48. Because they are vertical angles, vertical opposite angles. This is also 48 degrees. So now, guys, what is your C? What is your D? What is your A? What is your B? Easy peasy. You know co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. We know corresponding angles. This angle, it looks exactly like this angle. This one. It's exactly like this one. They are corresponding angles. So this is 48 degrees. So what is this one? What is C? We can look for C using two methods. We can either want the sum of the angles on a straight line and subtract 48 from 180 degrees, and it gives you 132. Yes, it gives you 132. Yes, C gives you 132. You see, or you can use this method again, using co-interior angles. You know, co-interior angles, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, co-interior, it was C plus 48. It's equals to 180 degrees. 48, this 48, because this angle and this angle, this one and this one, they are co-interior angle. When you add them, they give you 180 degrees. So now we will subtract from 100, it gives you 132 degrees. The very same answer we got here, guys. So you can either use co-interior angles, or you can use the sum of the angles on the straight line to calculate this angle. So what is this angle? We finished here, guys. This angle is vertical to this angle though. So here is 48. So here is 132. Easy peasy. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it. Guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. Thank you for watching, you know. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please comment, like the video, react to the video, guys. Don't just watch, you know. React, tell me what is it that you have learned. If you learned something, go ahead and, you know, don't be stingy with those likes. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.